In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record customer deposits or retainers in QuickBooks Online. Customer deposits and retainers are payments you receive before you actually do the work or deliver the product. Because you haven't earned that money yet, you don't want it to show as income right away. Instead, you record it as a liability and then move it to income once the work is done. I'll walk you through how to set this up and how to use it in your day-to-day workflow. First, let's set up the right accounts and items. Start by creating a liability account. In QuickBooks Online, click the gear icon, then go to Chart of Accounts and choose New. For the account type, select Liability. You can use a name like Customer Deposits or Retainer Liability, something that clearly tells you this is money you owe in the form of future work or services. This is important for clean, accurate financials, and it also keeps your income from being overstated. Next, you'll create a product or service item that points to that liability account. Go to Settings, then Products and Services, and click New. Choose Service as the type. Name it something like Deposit or Retainer, so it's easy to identify on invoices. For the income account on this item, do not choose a normal income account. Instead, link it to the liability account you just created. That way, anytime you use this item, the amount will go into your liability balance instead of your income. Now you're ready to record a deposit or retainer payment using an invoice, which is especially useful when you're invoicing for future work. Click the plus New button and select Invoice. Choose the customer who's paying the deposit, then add the deposit or retainer item you just set up and enter the amount they're paying up front. Save the invoice and send it to the customer if needed. When you do this, QuickBooks posts it to accounts receivable as usual, but the line tied to the deposit item also increases your liability account instead of your income. Finally, when you've done the work and you're ready to earn that deposit, create a regular invoice for the actual work performed using your normal products or services. When the customer pays, go to plus New, then Receive Payment and select that invoice. In the payment screen, you'll see the deposit amount available under Credits or Available Credit. Apply that credit to the invoice. This reduces the liability balance and recognizes the revenue for the portion you've now earned, keeping your books accurate and compliant.